Hi, welcome to the Sallie Tomato YouTube channel. I'm Caitlin, Sallie Tomato social media specialist. Get ready to elevate your sewing projects with today's Advent gift. Let's open it together. Day 3. Hand selected to match these luxurious items exude sophistication and elegance, making them perfect for pairing with upcoming items. This luxe faux leather bundle includes 1/3 yard each of Merlot ostrich, saddle croc, and desert basket weave faux leather fabric. You may have another variation of this bundle in your box. That one includes 1/3 yard each of ecru ostrich, forest legacy, and evergreen basket weave faux leather. These luxe faux leather textures elevate your handmade bake projects with their elegant finishes. If you have not sewn with Sallie Tomato faux leather before, it is 100% vegan, soft, and pliable to make with. When sewing with faux leather, we recommend not using pins, only clips. Using pins will leave holes in the faux leather. To ensure durability, we recommend using polyester thread over cotton thread. For sewing machine needles, a denim needle is preferred, but it will easily sew with a universal 90-12 without any issue. For additional tips on sewing with Sallie Tomato faux leather, you can check out the link below to find our Sewing with Faux Leather blog. If you're interested in purchasing Sallie Tomato's Advent Box for next year, we've added a link in the description for you to sign up for our newsletter, so you will be notified when it releases. Please share and show off your photos of your completed project. We'd love to see your style. Use the hashtags Sallie Tomato and Sallie Tomato Advent Box on social media so we can see it. If you liked today's video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Tune in tomorrow for unboxing day 4 of the Sallie Tomato Advent Box. Thanks for watching.